Blackface. Born of the cool flesh of the earth's breast, kept silent and patient, quiet, complacent. We fit into the boxes we sit, force-fed acid information steeped in fragrances of riches, meant to mask the unsavory taste left after slavery, which never ended, just switched its appearance, now exists in institutions like prisons and BET, the masquerades of minstrels and blackface. The destruction of a race is big business of the most intense nature. Violence, a learned behavior, and fueled triggers lead to more pulled triggers, which is all in the business plan's favor.